Hey guys, so just a quick video really. Now you might have watched my review, this one here on Xmas Traffic 2.0 by Dawud Islam. Yeah? I released that, I published that video yesterday, and I did mention in that video that I would be getting this product myself and most likely some of the upsells as well. And then just to show you that I am putting my money where my mouth is. Not that that I have to, but it's kind of like nice to do the follow-up, since I did mention that I would shoot a video showing you that I did buy the product, and I am very excited to giving it a shot. So watch my review, guys, on Xmas Traffic 2.0. It's basically like Dawud will allow you with the front end to submit any link of your choice, okay, to his rotators. And I have had good experience, and I have heard good feedback as to do with his rotators, that people do get clicks, and clicks obviously because he's sending a lot of traffic, okay, and sales, and it would be totally up to you what you would want to promote, or whether you would want to just use it to grow your email list. So you would give out you would offer some kind of lead magnet, right, in exchange for people email addresses. So there's various ways in which you can approach it. So I mean, after you buy this product, Xmas Traffic 2.0, Dawud will, in the members area, make very good suggestions, okay, as to what would be the best to promote. So yeah, I went ahead and bought the front end and one of the upsells. So let me show you. So here I am inside of my Gmail address. So this is which one was it? I was having actually issues with my bank, so I wanted to buy the upsell straight away, but after I purchased the front end, my bank blocked my card because I was trying to, buy the upsell straight away. So they found it suspicious. So they, only managed to buy the upsell today. But I am already having a very good experience with Dawud Islam's admin team. Like, they got back to me so quickly, and let me just show you. You see, this is the access to the purchase, right? All of the details I have here, and then I wrote to them, you see, because once you buy it, you will then have to email them, respond to the email they send you, ideally, just reply, okay? So I did pretty much straight away, and I sent them this squeeze page of mine. Now let me open this one. You see this one, and this squeeze page will lead to a free offer that has upsells, so a very good offer. So I'm hoping that I will get I'll grow my email list thanks to that, and get possibly some sales if people do decide to buy some of the upsells. But the front end is totally free and it's value packed, so it's a very good offer I am here promoting. And then you see, so I sent them the link to the squeeze page, and then what was so cool, really, how many, minutes, seriously, not even, over half an hour later, they got back to me, you see, and confirmed that my link, this link here, again, let me open it, that's the one, so it's the same. So this link has been added to 5 rotators, okay? That's just the front end, guys. And, very swift reply. And I said to them, that's so awesome. Thank you for getting back to me so swiftly. And yeah, so my squeeze page will be on these 5 rotators. That's just the front end, guys, for the whole year. So 2023. So I'm really quite excited to do a follow-up later on, after a few weeks, after a few months even, just to give you an update, and it's really an experiment I am doing. So yeah, but then I also decided to buy the pro version. So that's the pro version. I went for the downsell, guys. So the pro version will allow you to add 5 additional links, okay, affiliate links or whatever links, yeah, to 5 rotators. So that's 5 times 5 times 5. So you end up with sort of like, yeah, multiplying that. So you have to like, yeah, 25 altogether. So I have not submitted the links yet. Okay, I did not reply to them yet because I just purchased I finally managed to purchase, you know, with this annoying, the bank was just annoying me so much, but I finally managed to purchase the pro version. So I went for the downsell. So I'm just letting you know, guys, in case you want to buy the pro version, obviously, for example, if you buy it from me, I'm reducing my commission, but like, okay, you may or may not know about it, okay? But if you refuse the first hit by the upsell, they will come back with the downsell. So instead of 47, you can pay 27. So yeah, I knew it, so I refused the first one, and then obviously Dawud came back with the downsell, and then I got it for 27 bucks. Okay, so here you go. And yeah, so I will like create 5 more links. That's probably gonna be to, let me see, you know, I'll create some links to this, also this page I always promote. That's always below my, you know, guys, below my reviews. You can go grab it if you have not yet. Grab the courses, which are totally amazing. And then I'll create additional like squeeze pages to courses, like evergreen courses that, you know, I would always proudly promote. Obviously, I'm not gonna promote some rubbish, send traffic to some rubbish, but yeah, something that, you know, I can promote with integrity and with a like a, you know, clean conscience. What else did I want to say? No, that's it. So guys, do consider getting this Xmas Traffic 2.0 yourself. It just launched yesterday. Okay, and yeah, you can watch my review if you haven't yet. And if you do wish to purchase it from me, that would be obviously super cool. I would be grateful for that. The link will be to Xmas Traffic 2.0 below this review, the one you're looking at now, but also this video that I'm shooting at the moment. Okay. All right. So yeah, like expect from me some follow-up videos in the future as to do with Dawud's rotators and my results. So yeah, obviously I'll be transparent about it, and yeah, I'm doing an experiment. I love experiments. You know, the best way to learn, right? Just do it, test it. Okay, have a beautiful day. Don't forget to drink water. I'm drinking today raw coconut water, not just today, almost every day. But, you know, just regular water obviously is the best, I guess. Okay, love you, leave you, take care. Bye-bye.